Let us start. Now we are discussing break. Can you listen to me? Anyone respond?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And screen is okay. Screen you
yes,
can see.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And we discussed band break. Still I repeating this slide. This is band break. Band means this is the band. This is the band, and the inside surface of the band is lined with friction material. This is the brake drum, and say this is the direction of rotation. And band is made of flexible steel strip. Now there are two types. One is simple, and it is called simple when one of the band passes through the fulcrum of the lever. So this is a simple band brake and the free body diagram. Now this is P1, this is P2, and if this is the direction of rotation, I mentioned that to use this as a brake, P1 must be higher than P2. And this theta is important because P1 by P2 equal to e to the power mu theta. So this theta is important. If theta rises, then P1 will be far higher than P2, and P1 minus P2 is the braking effort. Okay. Now for the dimension, this is L, this one is A, and this is theta, the included angle, which is called angle of wrap, WRAP, angle of wrap. Now P1, P2 are the tensions, mu and theta, coefficient of friction, and the angle of wrap. So torque is equal to, this is the effort, P1 minus P2 multiplied by R. So this is torque. Now taking moments about the pivot. Okay. So P2 multiplied by A equal to P multiplied by L, and from this P equal to P2A by L. Now considering elemental friction line. So this is P, this is P plus del P dP, and this is d phi. So this is R d phi, and this angle is d phi by 2. So subtending angle d phi, breadth W. So elemental area R d phi W, and pressure intensity is P, small p. Now we develop this equation. So dN is equal to, from this figure, dN will be equal to PR dW RW d phi. This is the normal force. So dN is equal to P sin d phi by 2 plus P plus dP sin d phi by 2, and sin d phi by 2 equal to d phi by 2, and considering higher order differential to be neglected, the dn will be equal to p d phi. And comparing equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can get p equal to r by p by p, small p equal to p by rw. Now p will be maximum when this p will be equal to p1 and p max equal to p1 by rw. So these are the equations for band break, simple band break. And this slide was discussed in the last class. Now differential band break. So in the earlier case, P1 was passing through this point. Now they are not passing. So this is P1, this is P2. And theta is 180 degree. Now these are the dimensions. P2, P1, L, A, B and theta. These are the dimensions. So neither end of the band passes through pivot, and that is differential band break. Why the term differential comes, you will see in the equation. Now moments about pivot. So P1 multiplied by B into P multiplied by L minus P2 multiplied by A equal to 0. And from this P is equal to this. So there is a minus sign. So this minus sign gives you the term differential. So there will be a self-locking condition when P is 0 or negative. And P is 0 or negative means this thing. A is less than equal to B to the power mu theta. That means A by B is less than equal to A to the power mu theta. So for self-locking condition, this is the thing. That is A by B is less than equal to E to the power mu theta. Now self-locking condition normally is not desirable. But when there is a hoisting machine, then if there is self-locking condition, then it won't come down when it is lifted to a point. So it is helpful for preventing opposite rotation. When opposite rotation is not desirable. So this is called backstop brake. And these brakes are used in bucket elevator. That means elevator, bucket like elevator. When it is lifted to some position and it is not desirable to go down, then this self-locking condition is rather required, and this is called backstop brake. Now there is a compact arrangement for this. This is the system. Here it is P1, here it is P2. And more compact arrangement is like this. You see, it is similar to this and it is differential. This one is not passing through this, but arrangement is such that this theta is higher. So if theta is higher, go to this equation. If theta is higher, then P1 by P2 will be equal to, we will get higher value. So P1 by P2 gets higher value when theta is higher. So this is the system. Okay, more compact arrangement and gives higher value of theta. Now heat generation and temperature rise. Obviously, there will be generation of heat. So for change of speed, energy is absorbed by the brake. So if energy is absorbed by the brake, this energy will be converted into heat. So there must be some arrangement so that it is dissipated. And if the rate of generation of heat is faster than that of the dissipation, time for dissipation of dissipation of temperature, then the heat will generate, and the rise of temperature lowers the value of mu, and if mu is lowered, then P1 by P2 will be lowered. That means P1 minus P2, which is the braking effort, that will be lowered, and it ultimately reduces the torque capacity of brake. And rise in temperature, this equation is already known to you. So it is E by mc, and these are the nomenclature of the terms. E is total energy absorbed, joule. M is mass of breakdown, kg, and C is specific heat of dam material, joule kg, joule per kg degree centigrade. So this is the expression for rise in temperature, and this expression already mentioned in the chapter of clutch. So this is all about our brake. Now I will show you some problems, that means solve problems, but these are not uploaded now here. So I will upload you and I will show you in the next class. So here break is over, and in the next class the problems will be uploaded, and the chapters which I discussed so far, some problems were shown to you, but on the other chapters I will also show you some problems, worked out problems. Okay, so this is all about brake. Now regarding exam, that is home assignment, exam will be in the form of home assignment, means university's decision is in non-contact mode, to conduct it in non-contact mode, and that will be done according to your suggestion on Wednesday, day after tomorrow. Now you may have some works or assignment of other teachers, it may be. Now if I send you or upload the question paper at 6 p.m. and if you submit it by 9 p.m., will there be any problem? I am asking you.
Sir,
Sir, can we decide between us and tell you the timing by tomorrow?
I can give it tomorrow, but whenever I will give, you will get 3 hours time.
No, sir, I'm telling that we'll give the test on Wednesday, but like the convenient timing which we will be giving our test at, we'll let you know about it by tomorrow, sir? Will it be okay?
There is no problem. There is no problem. There is no problem.
Okay,
So
sir. Okay.
time of test you decide and intimate me, because my issue is only to upload. This is the
Yes.
issue.
Yes.
So you tell me the time according to your convenience. You tell me and I
Okay,
will
sir. Okay, sir.
upload you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
And tomorrow there will be class. Tomorrow there is class according to the
Yes.
schedule.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow
Yes.
there is class. There will be class, either a new chapter or some problem, as it is convenient for me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you intimate me tomorrow
Okay, sir.
regarding your time of test. Okay.
And sir, any suggestions about the exam, sir?
Suggestion means whatever it is covered here. How many chapters I mentioned?
4 chapters, sir.
That is,
Coupling, sir, riveted joint, bolted joints, and power screw.
and power screw. Okay. So simple 4 chapters are there. So whatever I have covered, the question will be
Based
out
on
of
that.
that. Based on
Okay.
that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
There is no problem, and you are getting much time.
Yes.
And I have already mentioned that you spot the pages in the book where you get the material table, the thread the thread table, that is metric thread, etc. These tables you just spot it so that you can get it immediately. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay.
it will be an open book test, obviously. So question will be similar to that, according to that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.